We're getting you breaking news now. The Army Chief reviewing operational alertness of our troops on the ground. Army Chief General Naravane will be briefing the political leadership now on the ground situation in Ladakh. He was on a two-day visit to Ladakh now. The Indian Army plugs gaps along the line of actual control to stop Chinese transgressions. In fact, the Galwan Valley standoff point has been now completely secured by our army. But the Army Chief, who was in Ladakh for 2 days, is now heading back to Delhi and will be briefing the political leadership on exactly the situation. Gaurav Sawant is joining us with more details on this. Gaurav, just tell us at this point what the situation is at the line of actual control as far as our army deployment is concerned, and really the big takeaways from the Army Chief's visit.
So the Army Chief is now en route Delhi, and he was given a very detailed briefing about the situation on ground. The Army Chief has also travelled extensively across the 800-odd kilometer line of actual control. The impression that we've been given is that point one, the Galwan standoff point now stands secured. The Indian Army is deployed in that area. Of course, the agreement that was reached with the Chinese will mutually be followed. But as of now, there is no apprehension that the Chinese could, attempt to roll in from the Galwan Nala area. That's point one. Point two, the Pangong Tso standoff remains. And that is a cause for grave concern, and that is where there will be a series of meetings to resolve that issue. In Depsang, the army is fully deployed to ensure that the Chinese do not transgress. Wherever Indian Army wants to go, the Indian Army is in a position to go in that area, is what top sources in the army have told India today. Down in the other part of Ladakh, the southern Ladakh part of Demchok and Chumar, again, the army is very extensively deployed to ensure that there are no Chinese transgressions. So this is the situation all along the line of actual control. Now, whether this is to be taken forward militarily at Pangong Tso and Galwan standoff points for a resolution, or diplomatically, will be discussed in Delhi.
And that's what I want to understand from you, Gaurav. Even as the Army Chief, reviewed the operational alertness on grounds, and we understand that the Galwan Valley standoff point has been secured by Army. There are several other parts of Ladakh where China is now trying to provoke, enter Indian territory.
So, the attempt that was made by the Chinese in Galwan and Pangong Tso, those were two attempts that were initially made. In Galwan, there was a very strong pushback, and because of that pushback, certain lessons have been learned by both sides. As far as Pangong Tso is concerned, mirror deployment remains. Depsang, again, there is massive deployment on both sides. And there is no movement from either side, and that is being very extensively monitored, either from satellite or air or unmanned aerial vehicles or even troops on ground. So the impression that we've been given as of now, after our interaction with the commanders, is that there is no cause for concern either in Depsang in the north or Demchok in the south. In Galwan, the army is in a position, at least that is what commanders have told India today, that the army is in a position to ensure that the Chinese do not attempt to do what they attempted to do on the 15th of June.
Okay.
Pangong Tso is the only area where they are there between finger 4 and finger 8, and that is something that will be, we are told, resolved diplomatically and militarily through talks.
All right, Gaurav, thank you for getting us all the latest. The Army Chief there, after his 2-day visit to Ladakh, is heading back to Delhi. He'll be briefing the political leadership on the current situation on the ground.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.